Welcome to the new year, boys. You stole it. Good try, David. Yeah, fire it back up. You ruined my driveway. Now the cops know where to look. First burnout of 2025 done over with. All right, so we've been in quite of a predicament for the past couple months here. Black truck has been unfortunately parked outside involuntarily. This thing is dead to the point of no return, maybe. We got Dayton here, we got a truck, we got 2 sets of jumper cables. We're gonna try and fire her up. So your truck is dead when you open the door and the dome lights don't come on. These are 2 brand new Duralast RV batteries. Highest rated one. Should I put the mag cab on one battery and your truck on one battery? I already tried doing the double cable thing.
Yeah, this should work.
Okay, we'll try.
I think these, and maybe throw another set of cables on another battery.
Unfiltered personality, bro. What are you looking for?
Where's the starter at?
Starter? Down here.
I'm just saying you want it on starter side of the battery.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because it connects this battery first, you want better cables.
Yeah, it should be on this side.
I don't know how to connect these cables.
We're out here doing master mechanic stuff. Mobile mechanic Dayton.
They charge you $100 an hour.
$100 an hour, yeah. $321 to jump start my battery. All right, so obviously I've already tried this method of like jump starting the truck, right? Obviously, first thing you do. For some reason, it is just so blatantly dead that it won't start. So we're gonna run through some diagnostics here. Hopefully get the old wheel started. It's been about 4 months since this thing has started. Can you believe that, Dayton? Mid-September.
I also have something else we gotta try. I haven't done it yet. I'm also talking about Timu.
Timu?
Yeah, I'm finding it.
Timu start pack. You guys can see the Med Cab is still on the road for the winter. Not too happy about it. The Dakota is still down bad back there, and we'll get to that in a minute here.
We got 6.0.
Yeah.
Milwaukee. We got these little cables.
What in that? Bro.
Supposedly it started vehicle.
Yeah.
We gotta try this.
Maybe a
I
Power
don't
Wheels.
think it'll start this, but maybe the first gen. I don't know.
Oh, we got
Maybe it'll work.
We got people stalking us. It's the 3rd time they passed.
See all the trucks.
Yeah.
See the burnout. I don't know.
Yeah, they heard it. They heard the 3rd gen, and they're like, "Oh, we gotta see." Oh, there's the cops right there. All right. What's that?
You have a hood light on. There.
Yeah, that's good.
They're still doing it.
She'll clip. I'm almost worried that the starter. I don't know. I don't want to say that the starter went because it hasn't even like tried, but it does clip. This is as far as I've gotten so far. You want me to start it with the rock lights on?
Yeah, all your lights. Bro, you got every single light on in the interior.
All right, we'll give it a second. Let's go take a look at the 1st gen real quick.
This thing's worth the crap.
Give a little shout out to our Timu friends over there in Beijing.
It was like 20 bucks, 21 bucks.
Jesus. 19 of it was shipping. We'll try starting the Dakota here because the 1st gen has a good battery. It just won't crank over.
I have faith in it.
And here's what we're missing right here. Think she's good? Give her a shot here. I got lights in here.
You got lights?
Yep.
Is it gonna start?
I don't know.
Try it. Oh, there's fuel pump. No
Dude,
way.
no.
Let's go. Honestly, I'm already impressed. Whoa. For $21, you can fire up your rig.
Yep, nice and cheap. Kind of. I mean, I don't know if it works on the black truck or not, but. Yes. The past couple months have been tough for the fleet. 1st gen's dead. It hasn't moved since October, about 3 months. Black truck hasn't moved in 4 months, and the Dakota hasn't really moved since last year. Get the 1st gen fired up here.
Feel this operatos.
The hot?
Yeah. Oh, she's gonna
Woo.
fire it up.
Hopefully.
We gonna put cables on this? You think the battery's good?
Yeah. Tired of bed mats that don't like doing their job? We have a solution for you at lasfit.com. Lasfit, offering the world's best automotive bed liners since 1776. Bring a non-slip design. It's durable to take whatever abuse that you could possibly throw at it. Offering cutouts for your 5th wheel attachments and your gooseneck attachments. This bed liner has every solution for the everyday hauler. Offering snug, tight fit. No material can get back behind there, and you're not losing tools, you're not losing parts, you're not losing anything. This bed liner you can take out within 5 seconds. Dayton clock. seconds.
Was it 3?
It was definitely not 5, that's for sure. Last Fit Bedliners also offers a less than 10-second installation. Hopefully I do this right. Oh, oh dude, I messed this up. Boom, what was that, 15 seconds?
Something.
It was fast. Good thing 2025 is here, because not only am I gonna start going to the gym again, I'm also going to be using Last Fit Bedliners 100% of the time. If you're covering up old bed dents or you're preventing new ones, Last Fit has you covered. Oh, that's almost my window. Extremely affordable price. You can have your bed completely secured, protected by Last Fit for the rest of your truck stays. This bed mat will last longer than your 6.7 Power Stroke will. With the anti-slip design, these wheels ain't going nowhere.
Almost sounds like she's starting for fuel. You drained out the water in the filter at all?
No.
Dude, I can't reach.
I smell fuel.
There it goes. I'd say it's fine. I'm not doing trial and error. This might blow up. I'm gonna guess your heater grid's not working at all, but air in the fuel system. Do you have 17 mil wrench?
Yeah.
Maybe cracked the injectors. I think it's a 17 if I remember right.
Reintroducing the blue tool set. Can't go nowhere, boys.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That's fancy.
Dusty. All right, so you said 17?
Wrench.
Oh, 17 wrench?
Yes,
Oh,
brother.
God.
Brother. Injector line, brother.
Got my Harbor Freight special tools.
Oh, buddy, you need to invest in some tools, brother.
I just did. I just spent $1,000 on filming this whole thing.
That box is sick.
I want Lance to polish it out for me.
Here.
Are you sure it's 17?
Should be. Is it right?
Yeah. I think it's a 16 and a half, but...
Oh, 16 and a half. Do number 2, too.
Oh, God.
This is 12 valve life.
It's all right. I'd rather have this and no 12.
So we'll crank her over, see if any air comes out. It's gonna spray. She's feeling warm, too, already. All right, crank it over. Hey, give me that wrench. One's getting fuel now. It wasn't getting fuel.
It wasn't?
Number 2 wasn't either. It's starting to. All right, crank it over a little bit more. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she was airlocked. If it starts, just I guess turn it off. It might start now, but. Yep. For me to keep spraying fuel everywhere. So you got air leak somewhere on one of your lines. Fuel leak, I should say. Alright, you can fire up now.
This is the first time this truck has started in 2.5, 3 months, I think.
Listen to her purr. You got a little fuel everywhere, but.
1 truck started, 2 trucks started. Now for the big old girl. She hasn't started since Trump's been in office.
Oh,
It's been a minute.
excited.
See if she's got it in her. Not yet, boys, not yet. You want to hook that battery charger up to it?
Got the T-Move fired up.
Hook the T-Move up. So we got some house power. The third gen hooked up on both sides, and we also have the T-Move battery charger hooked up. So we got 4 sets of cables on this thing. We'll see if it works. All right, it's about 5 minutes later. Oh, there she is, brother. She's back. Oh, yeah. 4 months sitting here dead. Hopefully the batteries aren't ruined, but oh well. So the black truck is back started. We are good to go on that. We're gonna get this thing charged up. That truck just straight up eats, bro. Nice and spicy. Dude, that was awesome.
She was swinging.
Dude, the circle was like tight as hell too.
I did that down at Blake Fitzgerald's. Dude, I was doing perfect freaking donuts. Everyone's like, what the hell? This thing just loves it.
All right, so we got the truck all loaded up. We got the tires loaded up. All the trucks are parked. We're gonna go over to Dayton's shop and get these wheels and tires swapped over. Dogs. Getting these old girls back onto the truck. The specialties are, you know, they're specialties. You know, specialties don't deserve to be driving the salt. We're gonna swap them over. And I was gonna go through the car wash, but I completely forgot about it before we took them off. But turns out I accidentally bought the wrong tires off Marketplace. So they're not rated for hauling. Doesn't matter, because we're just gonna get new tires for the specialties and then we'll be all good to go. Right there, Dan. No jack stands around here, only jacks.
And Cash.
And Cat. And Chloe. You know, big girl. Huh? Oh yeah, boys. All right, boys, that is the end of the specialties for this season. Take the tires off, get powder coat, polish, all the fancy stuff ready for you guys in 2025 show season. But until next time, boys, she is on stop. Med cab is down bad, of course, so we need to get the med cab dialed. We need to get the black truck first gen dialed. Everything needs a revamp. We'll see you when we see you, boys. See you next time.